How to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner you can find your avatar. Click on it. With that you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you land to the settings page, scrolling down you will find this option of Bitmoji. Click on it. Now here you will see this option of remove my Bitmoji. Click on it. Remove Bitmoji. Click on remove. Just that you have removed Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. Now click on create my avatar. Now from here you can easily select the gender. If you want to set it to male or female, just tap on it. Now I can customize these settings: skin tone, hairstyle, likewise dress and everything. And once you are done you can click on save. Well, this is how you can easily change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.